Trixie Trunky is here.
Trixie Trunky.
She gonna go on vacation with us?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I can show her I'm really her person.
Oh, she knows you're her person. So let's see, we've got her handle, right? This is her handle. Or her leash.
Phone number?
And
What's our phone number?
her little face. Hold on a second, okay? We're putting cute little stickers on her to make her little face. And there's her backside. And she's going to be a great little carry-on for Haley. Haley's going to decorate her right now. Put some cute stickers on her.
Look at that.
I see that. Got some cute travel stickers here. I think we should put the desert island and the deep sea. Cool. Oh, and she also has this cute little wrist purse. Cute little matching wrist purse from Trunky. Very cute. She'll come in handy.